17 anni consecutivo, e dieet mediterraneo ha gana il titolo di miho dieet, según US News and World Reports.
The Mediterranean diet really is one of the very, very best. And the reason is because it's so clinically proven to have positive health outcomes.
Dietista Julio Sampano ha comentato questo stilo aquí di come lo può ridurre inflamación y lo può ayudar a prevenir alguna maleza. El diet aquí está enfocado en pan brain, fruta y verdura fresco, extra virgin olive oil, aguacate, algún sorte de pinda y pescado. Y no come nada de comida procesada.
Lastly, we really limit things like dairy. So can have a little bit of cheese on the Mediterranean diet, but it's really just kind of a dusting, just to add some flavor, but not the foundation of a meal. And it shouldn't really be consumed every day.
Tambe è importante para comer porciones chiquito y tiene un balance de cada elemento de botellón de comida. Y si bota bebe alcohol, preferible consumir bien curado.
No alcohol is better than any alcohol. We have found to be true when it comes to health outcomes. But if you are going to drink, really stick to that red wine.
De Fabiola Angela Hernandez, para Telenoticia.